And as much as the person is charged, that is still not justice in my eye. My daughter go down, he should be go down too. That's my justice.
That story I touched my heart, me nah lie. The woman there with that little workless man, and the man, he swear him do to her daughter. Them find the little girl, DEAD, and sexually whatnot. Now, this is a despicable crime. And Jano, me I hope when the boy go to prison, you know, me I begging him pardon for this, you know, but me I cuss up some bad word. Yo, when the boy go to prison, the man them forget him, dog. And if the man them were in there, me get him, we know pum straight up, cause we not support them kind of thing there. You have another pum where they are jail, him plead guilty to, the man who killed Candice, the young lady, he was a taxi driver. Weird looking blood clot, brother, you know. Yo, you know, fi deal with them case in there, and that you know fi do. Them can't want to do them kind of crime there, and go prison and think say, yo, we not gonna have a good day. No, it don't work like that. You understand? It don't work like that. So yo, me I put out the word upon them two boy, dog. Any man want that, yo, wanna deal with them case, yo, straight up. Me don't care nobody want to say. The boy will kill the little girl, yo. Listen to her, to the mother. And me agree with everything what the mother say. Let's go.
Stepfather. He was no stepfather. That was long in the past. How a stepfather could do that to her stepdaughter? You call her stepfather? That is not stepfather. That's an evil person. One thing I ask for the government change the law. You do a crime like that, they found you guilty, injection, die right there. That's justice.
With pedophiles and diddler, child molester, and sex predators. Listen, they usually do things over a period of time, meaning that that little girl was not his first victim. And I am calling on the Jamaican police to probe this man's history. Why are we not seeing his picture on TV and you're asking the public to report any kind of dealings they had with this guy that was kind of nefarious? This is what they need to do, but this is such a sad case. I have one daughter, I'm gonna want not like that happen to my daughter. And like the mother say, once them find them guilty, them need to get the injection right away, or a firing squad. Jamaica need to bring in firing squad. And you do that at Alfred 3 Square, and you broadcast it on TV. Some states in the US allow firing squad. South Carolina recently, the governor allowed firing squad because people are talking about injection is inhumane. So, my thing is, me not gonna blame the police for that one because the police do a damn good job. But me want to probe that boy a background. Me not even mention him name. Everybody know the case. Wanna probe him background. This shit is sad. Now, you have a similar story like that happened in America with a DAYCARE. And you know what the lady did?
Of child sexual abuse.
The only person I had to find out information from was my husband. And he kept saying he didn't do it.
In this lady's case, it's her husband and her run a daycare. And the man was abusing the 11-year-old boys and girls them. And the police got involved, told her, and one of the abused child, parents spoke to her and listened to what she did.
The mother of one of the children, a child she'd loved and cared for years, said they had to talk.
So I saw the pain in her face, and I knew that she was not lying. She finally said it was my husband.
She took her first drink in 20 years, and according to prosecutors, texted her business partner, "I'm going to kill him and then myself." She drove to the hotel and angrily confronted him.
The first shot was in the neck,
Yes.
and then you shot him in the leg.
Yeah.
So you hear what that lady had do? She confront her husband and shoot him in the neck and shoot him in the leg. And them arrest her. The prosecutor asked the judge to be lenient. Everybody asked the judge, but the judge give her double the time. Jamaica, similar story. She there with the young man, and then him rape off her daughter and kill her daughter. The Jamaican police was able to catch one on time, catch the boy, Mr. Green or Dirty Green, so me not call him name. And this lady here took the matter into her own hand, and I support this lady right here. I support everything she did. She should have killed him, as far as I'm concerned. And the one in Jamaica, I hope when he goes to jail, the man them catch him and rub him out. And that's how I feel about it. Yo, let me know what you think about this story. My name is Countryman. I'm out. As a matter of fact, like, share, subscribe, and click on the notification bell. And I'm out. Peace. I'ma love everybody.